Hey boos, it's your girl Coco Dow and I am back with another video. This time is going to be a review. It's a review about a strawberry collection that I just received from Ancient Cosmetics. Ancient Cosmetics is the dopest shop ever. It has all organic products from skincare to body wash to lotions, face creams, all type of stuff. So make sure you check them out. So let's just get right into the video. So the strawberry collection, they have all type of collections. They have mango collection. I'm pretty sure, I think they got birthday cake collection. I'm not sure, but I got the strawberry collection because, you know, I want to smell like strawberries. You know, when I step out the door, I want to just smell good and smell like a big bowl of fruit. This is the box that it came in. It's a huge box. And you see it say Fresh Strawberry Collection, ancientcosmetics.com. I literally waited to do this YouTube video. I want y'all to see what it is. I want y'all to, you know, see what Ancient Cosmetics be coming with. Like, really. So, it's a big box, as you can see. Ooh. So the first, it comes with 4 different things. The first thing is fresh strawberry body oil. Yes. And I remember I had the mango body oil, and I'm telling you, it makes you smell so good. But the ingredients is safflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance. Ancient Cosmetics. So that's the first thing I come with. And yeah, I'm gonna smell it because I never had strawberry, and I'm just gonna smell it for y'all real quick. Oh my god, y'all. This smells like strawberries. Oh my goodness. Y'all. It's just like, I'm obsessed with it already. Like, I'm obsessed. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Yes. Like, y'all. It smells good. Alright. The second thing it comes with, what is this? Oh, it's an exfoliate. Yeah, it's exfoliation body scrub. So it says exfoliate your skin with this soft and supple natural body scrub, fresh strawberry. So girl, when you get in the shower, you're gonna be smelling like strawberries. And it comes in this big little bottle right here. And I'm telling y'all, hallelujah. Uh-oh. Some came out. Y'all. And this stuff is made organically.
No, don't do it!
Okay. Enough of that. Third thing is a bath bomb. So, you know, you could take your little spiritual baths. You could take your little stress reliever baths. You can take whatever baths you want. It's just big, juicy strawberry bath bomb. Yo, it has strawberries in it. I don't know if you see it, but it has strawberries inside of this. My bad, y'all. My camera died, so let's just get right into it. So like I was saying, this bath bomb has strawberries in it. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it has strawberries in it, y'all. Like, it's crazy. I mean, like I said, it's made out of organic ingredients. So this stuff been made out of real strawberries. Like, I wish I could smell it. I can smell it. And last but not least, We have a rich and creamy body wash. So it basically say wet your skin in the shower, lather some of the body wash on your loofah and apply it to your skin, rinse off, and pat dry with a towel. And it comes with, ooh, yeah, I'm gonna just leave the ingredients in the description box because, child, I can't pronounce this. So this is what it looks like. These are like really huge bottles. Like, you should like never run out. Like, I mean, I know it's going to be a little addicting, but you should really not run out for a while. Like, at least 90 days is like, just give it 30 days at least. So that is all. Like I said, it comes in 4 different products. You have your body wash, you have your oil, you have your bath bomb, and you have your body scrub. So I'm telling y'all, your showers is going to be filled with strawberries. And they also have mango, birthday cake, they have vanilla, I believe, and little coconut stuff. So make sure y'all go check them out. This is not, I am not getting paid by this, just to let y'all know. I'm not getting paid by this. No sponsorship, nothing. This is just all tea. It's just all realistic shit. Like, no one's, it's not an ad. Like, this is real stuff, because I used to get Ancient Cosmetics before. I had the Even skincare collection, and I also had the mango collection, and I really love the mango collection. So now I decided to try strawberry. So y'all seen the products. It smells awesome. It smells good as hell. Make sure y'all copy a collection so y'all can be smelling like fruits and cherries this summer. And that's it. So if you love videos like this, make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And that's all for the review. Mwah. Thanks for watching.
It's me, love, everything about you.